right, hi friends. We are going to be doing the listening and draw number 1 today. So check your paper and make sure that you have listen and draw number 1, which is the superhero one, pulled up on your paper. All right, so we are going to listen and we are going to draw. So you're going to need crayons and a pencil to complete this activity. So you're going to share the crayons with the friends at your table. You're going to have your headphones on. You're going to push the start button and listen to the first thing you are going to do on this assignment. When you hear your teacher say stop, you need to make sure you press pause. And when you finish, you are going to check and make sure everything looks good. And then you're going to keep doing this until you have finished the assignment. So again, this is the paper you should have pulled up. So we are going to begin. So this is listen and draw number 1, superhero. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write your name next to the star. So pause this video as you write your name. The next thing you're going to do is draw a mountain in the upper left corner. So take your pencil and in the upper left corner, which is over here, you are going to draw a mountain. Pause the video while you do this. Number 3 is draw a bear near the mountain. So wherever you drew your mountain, draw a bear near it. Near means close by. So pause your video and draw that bear. Number 4 is draw 3 trees under the superhero. So find the superhero and underneath it, draw 3 trees. Number 5, draw a tree stump in the lower right-hand corner. So lower is down below and right hand is over here. So in the lower right-hand corner, draw a tree stump. Number 6, draw a tent in the lower left corner. So the lower and the other side is the left. Draw a tent. Pause the video while you do this. Number 7, draw a girl standing next to the tent. So draw a girl standing next to the tent. Number 8, draw a stick with a hot dog in the girl's hand. Number 9, draw a campfire between the girl and the tree stump. Number 10, you are going to color the picture. So pause this video while you are coloring. 11, the superhero sees someone who needs help. Write about who needs help and how the superhero will help the person. So you have your picture. So now you need to write a story about a person who needs help and how that superhero is going to help them. Get writing.